Hi, I'm going to show you how to take note with sticky notes in Windows 10. Let's start by typing sticky notes into Cortana search. Alright, let's begin. Click on sticky notes, and the interface will be brought up. There's no more need for those third-party note-taking apps. I'm going to start by taking a note. Let me think. Okay, I'll be posting a video on the 11th. Okay, post video on the 11th of October, 2018. Let's make this into a list. I think I'll add a title to this, important, and I'll make it bold. That looks good to me. I think you might find this interesting. You can change the color of the sticky note. I really like the color blue. That looks really nice. You'll notice that your sticky note appears here. To add a new sticky note, press the plus icon. Okay, I'll keep this sticky note for later. Did I mention that you can make these sticky notes smaller? I'll show you. Let's put that to the side. And, if you've got multiple sticky notes, you might find the search tool helpful. In settings there are a few general options. You might want to upload your sticky notes to the cloud, in which case you would sign in. Wondering what Insights is? Sticky Notes works with Cortana and can enable useful features, such as reminders in Cortana. Getting used to using sticky notes in Windows 10 can help you better organize your notes, and might even help you be more productive.